morning people. So this is day 6 of dry dock and we are inside the hold spaces. Third officer is coming down from there, from this vertical ladder. This is the illumination and this is the ventilation, and these are the platform around the cargo tanks. So this is the cargo tank and these are the passage of the hold space. This is the hold space. We will be passing from here. Started second coat of primer yesterday and now they have started final coat also. So this from forward they have started final coat, and in midship also they have started final coat on top side. After that they will complete this bottom part of the top side as well. They have painted on the aft of the vessel as well, so they have painted everything, name of the vessel as well, everything, and now they are moving forward. So after they complete the first coat, I think this job will be very fast, and they are doing it by this cherry picker, and they have various cherry picker from aft to midship to forward. So they are completing it pretty fast because this is spray paint as well, so the speed of spray painting is very fast. I am inside 4-peak tank, so for 4-peak tank I have to come down from the main deck all the way from this ladder to down on the cofferdam, and then from cofferdam we go inside the 4-peak tank. So we have a renewal of draft gauge pipeline, so that's why I am going down for inspection. I am waiting for one class survey, so he will come and then we will go inside and check the condition of the pipe. After that we will proceed further and the job will be done today itself. So let's see what happens today. I have to go all the way down to 25 meters so that we can check, because the draft gauge is at the bottom of the platform. So let's see. All the ladders are like this, all the vertical ladders are there, so we have to climb these ladders. So coming down also very carefully with 3-point contact, so we have to be very careful with all our safety gears. And as we are going enclosed space, we have to keep this portable meter, so that if any toxic gases pockets are there, this indicates us and gives us alarm so that we can come out as fast as possible. So let's see. I'm waiting for one surveyor. So this if you see this is the ventilation going all the way down till the bottom of this tank, and the orange one, these are the illumination. It's also going all the way down. Right after lunch I am going down on jetty. So there is a vacuum test of bottom plugs. So they will fix the bottom plugs now, and after that they will do a vacuum test. In that they will see the if any leakage is there of in the bottom plug. If vacuum holds, then everything is okay. If vacuum doesn't hold, that means some leakage is there, then we have to do something. So right now I am going to witness that test. I haven't seen that test in my past experience, but now I will be going down and I will be seeing that for the first time. Going ahead. Hello, good morning people. Time is 7:45. I woke up 20 minutes back. I freshened up. Now I'm going for breakfast. So this is the start of day in a dry dock. I was preparing for the report of today's dry dock, and this is the report. So now I will go on deck to check the work done and see what progress is going on. Now I'm going on dock to check the progress of hull painting. Yesterday they had already started the final coat of the ship coat. Black color is already finished, and now they are painting the bottom part of the ship, that is maroon color. That also they have almost completed. 60% of the job is already done, so they are doing it right now. So this is the progress on the port side. Time is 12:15. I just had my lunch, took some fruits. I'm going to my cabin. After some time I will go on deck. Some DCP guys are coming, so I have to be with them, assist them. We have 2 yearly DCP and 2 yearly CO2 fixed firefighting inspection going on, so I will go with them and assist. Okay, let's see. Lots of things going on today. I was running the whole day here and there, so now I'm going because we have 5-yearly hydrostatic pressure test of the HCPA and EVD, so we have to land it in the jetty so that the service technicians comes and collect. So now I'm going to gangway to land the bottles at the jetty. So these are the bottles in EVD. We have to land it there. Lots of things are there. Whew. And this is one. So we are going down now to take this. This is the cargo pump.
Okay.
The impeller. This is the impeller. The motor is down there. This is the impeller at the bottom. So cargo is going from this pipeline. So this pipe is going all the way till top. And cargo is getting discharged from the liquid line. So this is the discharge line. So we come here. We have. This is the sump. This is the well where the cargo is collected at the last. So once this cargo gets collected here and suction is there, so it goes out. The loading line is that one. The pipeline which you can see there, this one. This is the loading line. So people, it's 1800. I mean 1755. So I just came inside the cabin. I'll take a shower and then I'll go for dinner. After that, nothing much, but still I have to be standby on walkie-talkie. So if something is happening at night time, so the watchkeeper will call me and I have to check. If something is required, I will have to look into the matter. So for now, relax a bit, and after 3-4 days I think we are leaving. So the job will be increasing more and more because of the last days, and the job will be a little bit hectic as well. So let's go for shower and I will see you again. After that I'll do some editing. Bye.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't